What's up? Thank you for clicking on this video. I appreciate you lots. I'm just documenting my journey here on YouTube. Hopefully you can find some value in it. So I really appreciate you clicking on this video. Let's get into it. I have struggled with trying to do one thing and then I get aggravated with it and I try to look up on YouTube a better version or a better way of doing this one thing that I have been trying to do, and I go to that and then I try and do that and I try and work at that and I get aggravated with that and I'll switch. But I've realized something. Stick to one thing and just learn that thing. Or just keep doing that thing, because if you keep doing that thing, you're gonna get better at that thing. If you try one thing and then move on and then try another thing, you're actually not getting anything done. You're just prolonging the process, or you're prolonging your progress because it's taking you forever to do one thing, or you won't even do one thing because you constantly keep switching it. And I believe that social media, especially on YouTube or TikTok or anything, it's always like, this made me 5,000 per month. This made me 10,000 per month. Try this now. All the YouTube thumbnails and everything. It's so enticing to watch their video, and then they make it look so easy on what you should be doing or how you should be doing it, and then boom, if you just implement this, you can make $5,000 per month. So be careful. When you want to start something, if you want to do anything in life, just start it and then continue it. Just stick with it. Don't get on YouTube because you get aggravated with the thing that you're doing and trying to search for something else. Keep doing the same thing. I'm honestly talking to myself right now as well, because I need to hear this as well. But yeah, it's just something I wanted to give out. I think this video is just going to be some motivation and productivity tips, because that's just what I've been struggling with this week. So I'm just going to share. Not only are you supposed to focus on one thing, it will help if you focus on the right things. Working hard isn't going to make you more money than someone else, or you're not going to be more productive than someone else. You can work hard all day at creating the perfect thumbnail, but what does that do if you don't have a video behind it or anything like that? So it's what you work on is more important. It's not how hard you work, it's what you work on. Say you want to learn something new. You work on watching all the Coursera videos, all the YouTube videos, buying courses and everything, but you're not actually doing anything. You're not actually doing the thing that you wanted to learn. So just coming back, I'm sorry. I feel that working on the right thing is way more important than how hard you work. So say I create a website. I could spend forever on a website, long time, getting the homepage right, making it look good. But I could spend forever in development and not actually have it in front of people. So the right thing would be to create the MVP, which is the most valuable product or most viable product. The MVP it's the product that just gives one thing. It just does it really good, and it just gives the one thing. And all it is that. It does the most with the least, if that makes sense at all. When creating a website, you want to create the MVP, and that is what is working towards the right thing. You can spend forever on everything else, but create the MVP, post it. My dad always told me growing up, work hard, and you will be rewarded. I agree. But you have to work hard at the right things. It's easy to work hard at, I guess what I'm trying to say is be more calculated with your focus. Really pinpoint exactly what it is you need to do and then just hone in on it. And then you can get sidetracked so easily. For example, I'm creating the two websites. I'm creating a website to try and sell royalty-free beats. I got caught up on the styling, how it looks. Like when someone clicks something, it like, I want it to do a certain animation and everything before it's even out. So I had to come back, take a second, and be like, Cameron, what is important? You don't even have this out yet. So I decided to try and focus my efforts on getting it out. All right, last thing I want to give to y'all, you have to enjoy the process. If you do not enjoy the process, it will be very, very difficult for you to be consistent. If all you're focused on is the goal, your process will suck and you will most likely fail. You have to be focused on what you do daily, because the daily brings you weekly results, and then weekly brings you monthly, and then monthly brings you yearly. And that is what is going to reach your goal. I don't remember where I saw this, but it's in my head. The man who enjoys to run will finish before the man who enjoys winning. It's the process that is what is going to take you to your goal. So try to find ways to enjoy the day-to-day of contributing to your goals. This one's not really a weekly update. It's more of a motivation. It's just been me putting in hours trying to learn how to code. I've been working on JavaScript, and I don't have anything like crazy that happened that I could tell y'all about. So I guess that's just what we're having this week. If you've watched this entire thing, it really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day just to watch me. Just me. I'm just a guy. A random guy. But thank you so much. Enjoy your day and continue to chase your goals. Thanks.